Think about everything you know about Apple. The secrecy, the design, the predictability. Now throw all of that out the window because Apple is about to shatter its own rulebook. For years, rumors have circulated in the deepest corners of the tech underground about a machine so advanced, so radically different from the standard lineup, that it was dismissed as pure fiction. A ghost in the supply chain. They called it a myth. But tonight the myth is real. Get ready, because the tech world as we know it is about to split wide open. This is the MacBook Neo 2. We are not talking about another minor spec bump. We are not talking about a slightly thinner bezel, a new color option, or a marginal increase in battery life. No, Apple has been quietly engineering a total revolution behind closed doors. This is a machine designed to completely redefine human-computer interaction. A device so powerful it makes the current M-series chips look like calculators, and yet so intelligent it borders on science fiction. But here is the catch. Apple never intended for you to know about this machine just yet. There is a massive, high-stakes battle happening right now inside Infinite Loop in Silicon Valley. A struggle between keeping this technology locked away and unleashing a product that could accidentally kill the MacBook Pro forever. By the time this video ends, you will understand exactly why Apple is terrified of its own creation, and why the MacBook Neo 2 changes absolutely everything. To truly understand what the MacBook Neo 2 is, we have to look at the massive problem Apple has been trying to solve in total secrecy. For the past few years, laptops have hit a wall. Every year, it is the same story. A slightly faster processor, a slightly brighter screen, and a new marketing buzzword. But the way we use computers hasn't actually changed in over a decade. You sit down, you open a lid, you stare at a static screen, and you move a cursor with your fingers. Apple knew that if they kept doing this, the iPad, the Vision Pro, or some competitor would eventually make the traditional laptop obsolete. They needed something to bridge the gap between pure raw computing power and spatial, fluid intelligence. They needed a device that felt less like a tool and more like an extension of your own mind. That is the exact philosophy that birthed the Neo project. The original, internal-only Neo project was a failure. It was too expensive, too hot, and the technology simply didn't exist to back up Apple's wildest ambitions. But a few years later, the breakthroughs happened. The supply chains whispered about an entirely new manufacturing process, a completely reimagined thermal architecture, and a display technology that defied physics. The MacBook Neo 2 is the culmination of those secret breakthroughs. It is a machine designed not for the average user, and not even just for the hardcore professional, but for the next era of human capability. Let us talk about the design first, because the moment you see this machine, your brain has to reprocess what a laptop is supposed to look like. It defies the standard aluminum slab aesthetic Apple has used for a decade. The chassis of the MacBook Neo 2 is forged from a highly advanced, ultra-lightweight composite material that feels organic to the touch, almost like polished stone, yet it is stronger and lighter than titanium. When it is closed, it is incredibly thin. So thin it looks impossible that a fully functioning computer lives inside it. But the real magic happens when you open it. There is no traditional hinge mechanism. Instead, Apple engineered a seamless, frictionless magnetic articulation system.